guys, I'm here at the Greedy Creek Spider apartment, and doesn't this place have the coolest features ever? Because it's right next to Disney Springs, of course it has some cool things. Like this fire hose right here, and then they've got a big hat over there. But I'm gonna go to the fire ladder truck, and you won't want to miss this. So don't go anywhere, I'll be back in a second. Hey guys, it's Brendan at Lucas TV Toys, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our other cool Lego sets. And today I've got the Lego City Fire Ladder Truck. This for ages 5 to 12, the set number is 60107 and it has 214 pieces. Let's look at the back. On the back it shows some features and some action scenes the set can do, and also shows you how much bags it has right here. And I want to mention these two scenes right here because since it blends in with this one, it kind of looks like this is a big fire, right? It's really just this little piece. Oh, now let's open this box and see what's inside. In this box we've got bag 2, the instruction booklet, and then we've got the stickers. And next, we've got bag 1. Well, let's start building this. Here's the completed set, the Fire Ladder Truck. So here we've got the burning canister, and here we've got the fire truck. So this is a driver right in here, and the way you get the driver in is by taking off the top. This part's pretty fragile too, so it can come off pretty easily. But that's how you get them in. Get the minifigure and then just drop them in. They just show a back seat, so you can put the other guy in. And here we've got the fire hose, represented by this black string. So you can take out the nozzle right here, and the blue piece which represents the water, and then you can put it back. But this is how the rope works, or the fire hose. So if you turn this, it will go in. So this is how you can pull it out. Just grab on it, and there we go. This is how you get it back to normal. See, it's coming back in. Until you've got it just like this, then you can catch it back when you're done. And of course the blue stuff can shoot out. 1, 2, 3, shoot! And on the other side, we've got a compartment that fits some ammo. So we've got some more pure blue studs for more water. We've also got a shovel right here. And here's some tools that we've got next to the nozzle. Let's take this off so you can see it better. So here we go. We've got a buzzsaw and a hatchet. Last, I want to show you the ladder. So the ladder has hydraulics that make it go up and down. And you can see that the gray way the factory moves. It looks pretty cool, right? And also it extends. So it can get about this big, but if you put it to super high, the fireman's gonna fall off. So don't do that. It's gonna get really hot. Now let's talk about the minifigures. Here we've got the firewomen. The firewoman has a protective fireman helmet, a walkie-talkie, gear all around her fireman's suit, black pants, and gray gloves. Here we've got the fireman. The fireman also has a helmet, but he's got an oxygen tank behind him, and he's got a helmet covering his whole face so he can go in the fire and he can still breathe. And he's got a fire extinguisher, and he's also got lots of gear, and he's also got gray gloves and black pants. Here they are without their equipment. The firewoman has pink lips. He's got a goatee beard and ashes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Lucas TV Toys for more great videos, because if you like toys, then you're like me, and if you're like me, then you love toys, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys, here are some of my other videos, and I know you're gonna love them, so go ahead and watch them.